all there is? When will there be more? Shut up. That's my line.
We got 2 more big ones, then poppers and sparklers. Okay?
Poppers and sparklers. Got it.
After these 2. Okay?
Can we do the rain dance?
Sure.
I would dance in the rain. Hello, Mr. Will. Hello, dog breath. I'm recording because it's Independence Day. Let's go! Let's do the rain dance! Let's groove in the rain! Well, that was good, wasn't it? Why is Evan inside?
He doesn't want to blow up any more fireworks because he's a wuss.
He's such a wussy all the time.
Said it burned his finger once, and he didn't want to do it after that.
Yeah. You want to come back? You want to come back or not? Damn. What will it take it so long? Who's there? Oh, it's you. Now this is pure beauty. Now that's the good stuff.
Yeah, that was the last big one, Anna.
Now we're on to those.
We got 8 of these. We got these little ones.
That's all there is.
Other than this, and then sparklers. If you want to do sparklers.
I love sparklers. Get ready.
Might be small.
That is less than spectacular.
I mean, they're little ones. What do you expect?
This is getting a little crazy right now.
You just want to skip these ones?
Yeah, they're kind of useless.
You just want to go straight to sparklers?
Yep. Even though it doesn't even work perfect.
Alright.
So are you positive? Are they safe?
Anna, we've had sparklers thousands of times.
Yeah.
Of course they're safe.
Every time in 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, and now here. This is going to be excellent.
Sorry.
Did you burn your finger? Dillon is doing some crazy shit
No, why didn't you light it?
right now. You must have been thinking, maybe that's because the wind's fault. Is it now here? It's the stupid wind. Jeez. When will it be here?
I don't know what's wrong with this one.
Maybe it's because the wind? Jesus Christ.
Let's skip this one. Let's go to another one.
Maybe that's because of the wind.
Yeah, probably.
How about I'll cover it? Nor you will just do it, whatever. Before I start feeding myself dog treats. How about I'll do it? How about I'll cover it? Do you want me to
These
help?
don't light.
Maybe it's because the wind? You got it to the on the top. Now
There.
they do.
Wave them around. Wave it around.
This is my best time ever.
You're running out of time, man.
Hurry before the thing gets into my fingers before it kills me. Jesus Christ. It smells smoky. Can you touch this? Dillon is doing something really crazy. Why is my leg so itchy?
This don't want to light.
Maybe it's because it's dull. What's that smell? What's that smell? Adam took a big piece of crap. Attention all people. Okay, action. Now that's much better. It nearly works.
Avada Kedavra.
Alright, you turned me into something. What did I turn into?
No, that's the killing curse from Harry Potter.
That's not
Avada
the kill.
Kedavra.
That's not how the killing curse goes.
It's Avada Kedavra.
Avada
It's Avada Kedavra. That's the killing curse.
bippity boppity boo.
That's something from Snow White, I think.
It's Cinderella.
Oh,
Jesus.
I didn't remember. But
I know that you didn't even remember. Well, you're more than dumber than my dog than dog breath. You see dog breath right there? The one that I don't trust anymore? So how's your kingdom account? Doing well?
nice.
Mine's is
What?
going well.
You just want to do this one box, then leave the rest for another day?
For another day?
Yeah.
For another Independence Day?
Sure.
Are you
You wanna light
positive
this
if
one,
this
bud?
is great?
Hey, the one that didn't want to light finally lit.
And mine's ran out.
Hey, don't throw it on my feet.
Sorry. It's kind of funny. Are you excited for Orange Cookie to come up to the kingdom?
I already got lemon and the marshmallow cookie.
How did you get those?
I already got
I didn't even get them. I didn't even get the marshmallow one yet.
You didn't get marshmallow bunny cookie?
I didn't even get her. Not until Unlock the thing.
Oh, you don't have the Pavlina promise?
I don't! Damn.
Last one, Anna. Then we'll put the rest of these sparklers up, okay?
Yeah, I suppose.
You get the last one.
Okay, here I go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeehaw. Avada Kedavra.
Ain't no
Avada
way you're trying to kill
Kedavra.
me with the kill.
Avada Kedavra. I'm killing the dog.
Dude, what the fuck, man? Can you guys stop standing on that cord when you come in? Every time. Can't you watch where your feet are?
Yeet. Alright, everyone. Happy Independence Day and thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Goodbye.